please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hello, and welcome to Sunshine's Bath and Body Bakery. Today, we will be making some shower steamers. So stay tuned, and I'll show you how I make them. Okay, so I just finished wiping everything down, and we can go ahead and start measuring out our ingredients. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready for this. Here we go. Let me turn you around so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully the camera will stay right there. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to tear that out. Let me get my spatula. And we're going to measure out the baking soda. I got my recipe over here. Okay. Let's move that a little closer. And you want to make sure that you sift all of the ingredients. Oops, that's too much. There we go. Let me go ahead and put that back where it goes. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and get that sifted in. Don't want any clumps in it. Sometimes with the bigger clumps, I like to take and just kind of crumble them a little bit. Make it a little easier to sift them. Hope you guys are having a marvelous day and had a wonderful weekend. Okay, we got that nice and sifted. And our next ingredient is cream of tartar. Okay. Let's go ahead and get the cream of tartar in there. We want to tear that scale out. Okay, perfect. And the next ingredient will be some cornstarch. Tear the scale out again. There we go. Put that back. Okay, and I also have, and I already did this because I like to grind my citric acid. So I've weighed out my citric acid. I've weighed out my menthol crystals. We got our fragrance oil here and some witch hazel. So I'm going to go ahead and finish sifting this in here. I know I really didn't need to sift this because it's such a fine powder, but I like to do it anyway. sifted. And we'll take and move that out the way. And then I like to take and get it stirred in together. You can put that onto the KitchenAid. Okay, and we're going to add in to our menthol crystals the witch hazel. And then I'm going to melt that in the microwave. Yeah, there we go. So I'm going to take that and melt it in the microwave in 30-second bursts. And then we will weigh out our fragrance oil. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the menthol crystals melted, and then I'll bring you back when I'm ready to put everything together. See you in a few. Okay, I'm back and I've got the menthol crystals melted and we are ready to start putting this together. So today I'm actually going to use the moon press to make these shower steamers. Cute little flower, and hopefully they'll come out right. If not, then I have a backup that I'll have to grab. So what we're going to do is, and I want to do this, I'm going to take that out. And I want to add the menthol crystal in there. And we're going to add the fragrance oil in there in a second. I want to get this mixed first. Kind of get it mixed in. And then add the fragrance oil in. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and mix it in the mixing bowl. Let everything get incorporated in. Wipe my little counter over here down. Oh, you can really smell that menthol. And while that's mixing, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of color into it. And I'm using Mad Mica's Flash Dance today. And I want to take and scrape the bowl. Okay, and then I'm gonna get ready to add my citric acid in here. I'll be right back. Okay, so we got this nice and mixed. So we'll go ahead, put that back on there, and slowly start incorporating the citric acid. And we want to make sure that that mixes in completely. So I'm going to let that mix for a few, and then I'll bring you guys back. Okay, it is completely mixed now. And I also like, after it's been mixing in here, I like to take and hand mix it and just to make sure that everything is fully incorporated. Such a pretty colored pink too. I'm gonna move the bowl out of the mixing thingy out of the way, because I also like to weigh these as I make them. Okay, so let's see if we can get these to work right. It's been a while since I've made shower steamers. But look at that. Looks really good. I just want to make sure that everything that was under the bottom has been incorporated. Okay, so let's get this done. Got the scale right there so I can weigh them. So let's see how well this works. I know what I want them to weigh. So I take it, put it in there, stick it on the scale. You guys know what I didn't do, and I'll do it on the next one. I didn't tear that out first, so I'll do it on the next one. This is the first one, which I usually use for a sample. So you just take that and put it down, press it a couple times, and release it. And there you have it. Nice little shower steamer. So now what I didn't do the last time is tear that out. So let's do it. And I like to fill the bottom and kind of press it in there. Make sure it gets all the detail in there. Okay. Then we'll go ahead and weigh that. And it leaves a little bit more in there. I like for these to weigh 2 ounces. Perfect, 2 ounces. And there is another perfect one. So we'll just keep on going. So why don't you guys tell me a little bit about what kind of bath products you like, if you make any. Put it in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, type your comments or questions in the comment box below, and I will answer them as soon as I receive a notification for that. I think this one might have been over a little bit. Yep, just a little bit. But that's okay. Sometimes I can't get it exactly how I want it. And usually it'll go over rather than under. So there we have another perfect one. Oh my God, these are coming out so pretty, you guys. Let me show it to you again, show you another one. Just look at that and look at the detail. It is really gorgeous, right? These are so easy to make too. I don't know why it's taking me so long to come back in here and make some more. But I have been asked recently when I was going to make some. So here we are. Perfect. These moon presses are, I just love them. And in case you're wondering, I've got them off of Amazon. Seeing little white spots in here, so I'm trying to mix them in. And another one. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video of making these shower steamers. And if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of all videos as they are coming out. Hit the thumbs up and let me know that you enjoyed this video. And I'm going to try and do some kind of video a little more often. So once again, thank you guys for watching. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.